So I'm gonna be doing this thing where, like, in the beginning, before my intro, I'm just gonna like put out a short message, you guys. So today's short message is like, if you don't know and you need a reminder, you're beautiful. You're beautiful, you're worth it, and don't let anybody ever try to dim your light, because the haters out there, 99% of the time, they're jealous of you, they envy you, so they want to bring you down. Don't let anybody tilt that tiara that's on your head. You're gorgeous, you're beautiful, smile more. And yeah, if you guys ever need someone to talk to, motivate you, feel free to email me, not DM me, comment below, like, trying to, like, because I've been there before and I don't want anybody else to dwell in that moment. So you're gorgeous. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, make sure you pause, hit the subscribe button down below, thumbs up the video, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Because if you ain't watching, you ain't popping. That's not on that, and that's not on what, that's not on period. So make sure you are subscribed. Let's get right into the video. You guys can see in the title below, it's on how to apply lashes of your choice, which could be long, short, natural, really doesn't matter. But I'll just show you guys what you need. You're gonna need your tweezers, and this is so optional, lash glue of your choice, and your lashes, of course, and that is it. So let's get right onto how to turn from basic to baddie real quick with just a pair of lashes. Okay. So something I forgot to mention is mascara, but that's so optional because I don't put on mascara before I put on my lashes. All I do is, and I don't even follow these steps like 1, 2, 3 anymore, really. But I just take my lashes off gently with my tweezers. I then take my lashes by hand and I just like bend it. Just bend it, and it's not gonna break or anything, shouldn't. Well, if they're good lashes, they shouldn't. And just bend it, just give it that curvature look, yeah. I take my lash glue and apply on my lash line. And not a lot, just like a thin layer. Okay, so after applying a thin layer, right, as you guys can see, I just applied like a thin layer. I sometimes take the back of my hand and just dab off anything that I think is extra to me, like excess. And I just shake my lash, make sure, like, just air's getting to it, blow it a little bit. Like at least for maximum a minute, because this lash glue, which I'm going to leave the description down below, does take longer to dry than Duo. When I first started wearing on lashes, I was using Duo lash glue, and I like that one more because it was quick dry. So I just do this till I think it's ready. Just shake it, and shake it, and shake it. Shake your lash, girl. Shake your lash, girl. Ooh, ooh. Shake your lash, girl. Shake your. Okay, I'm done. Shaking my lash. I then take a mirror. I usually like look into the mirror, but being that I'm recording, I can't really do that. So I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Ooh, zoom the fuck in. Excuse my language. So I'm gonna take my mirror, right? And I'm just gonna take my lash, and I start from the inner corner of my eye. Start from the inner corner, or actually I'm gonna start from the outer corner and middle this time. So you guys can see how it's like hanging, right? And I just push it towards. Tug on it. And there you have it, one eye. As you guys can see, didn't get much glue like on my eyelid. And for beginners, you're gonna get glue on your eyelid, okay? You're gonna get glue on your eyelid, and that's okay. Literally, you're gonna take a Q-tip and some like water, because it's glue, you know, so it's gonna be able to like rub off. And if that happens, just take Q-tip and some water and just like rub off the excess, you know what I mean? Like, that's okay. Or if you feel like, you know, it's just practice makes perfect. Like, when I first started wearing on lashes, it wasn't this clean and this easy. It was not. No, it wasn't. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it on the other eye using a tweezer. And I don't use tweezers as often anymore, being that I'm so like good at it. But I'm going to show you guys because it's tweezers. I kid you not, y'all. My freaking bathroom is a freaking heater. So taking my lash. It is so hot in my bathroom. Okay, taking my lash. I'm going to hold it by the middle of it to have more grip. Right, as y'all can see. If that focuses. Take my mirror again. And I'm going to place it onto my eyelid. Right in the middle, as y'all can see. And take your fingertips and like connect the lifting part. And ta-da. And it's gonna lift a little bit because the glue isn't fully dry, and that is okay. Just hold it there a little longer. And tug on it to where you want it to be exactly. And there you have it, y'all. Guys, if you mastered this, like, cause I kid you not, I started wearing on lashes last year around February, and up to like for February all the way up to August, I always had a friend like help me put on lashes. You guys, I didn't master how to put on lashes till August in college. So if you mastered this the first time, thumbs up to you. You're great. You're doing great, sweetie. You are. You're number one in mommy's book. You're number one in my book. So yeah, you guys, like, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Zoom in. And again, you guys, like, your lash line, your lash lid might look messy at first. Like, we'll have a little lash glue on it. And that is okay. Because mine had hella. And I didn't care. The lip gloss I am wearing today is from Madhouse. She DM'd me on Twitter to try out her gloss and shipped it to me, and I really, really like it. I love the smell. It has like, it's infused with flowers, as you guys can see, and I can't quite remember what's the name of this, but I'll go in the DMs and show you guys, like, not show you guys, put the information down below and her inquiries down below, because I really like this gloss. It's really, really nice. I like it. Like, so yeah, go purchase, and she ships it to your house, because that's how I got mine during this whole quarantine. So make sure you purchase your gloss from Madhouse. Her information will be down below. And that is it for the video, T-Babes. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you don't forget to thumbs up the video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Please subscribe. It means so much to me. And like watching my family grow. And turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any video. You're going to see an icon in one of these corners. Make sure if you haven't watched my first video, click on the icon and it's going to take you to the first video that I posted. And what else? Comment down below what you guys want to see next, what how-to you guys want to see next. And yeah, just like give me feedback. I love feedback. I like, you know, I am a perfectionist. So I hope you guys done seen the lashes. And I told y'all, you went from basic to baddie real quick. A basic, beautiful girl to baddie. One period. That's it on that.